All right, so I bet I know why you're here. The dealer told you should change the cabin air filter, and you want to know if you can do it yourself. Well, I always do this job myself. It's super easy, and it seems to save me a little bit of money, and I know it's done right. So let's get started here. I've got a Sienna. This is what I'm working on today, a Toyota Sienna. And of course, I'm not a mechanic. Just to do it yourself, or I actually own this vehicle, and I only work on my vehicles. So take that, anything you see here with a grain of salt, and know that you'll need to check the owner's manual and whatnot for your specific context, vehicle, and decisions that you make. So we're going to pop out the glove box like this and make sure the contents are empty beforehand. Otherwise, you're going to spill everything all over your floor. Maybe not a big deal, but anyway, just right here you can see there are a couple little clips, and we're going to back out that housing or that little cover. And it does have an orientation there. Put that up, so make note of that, and just kind of put it to the side for a minute. And we're going to pinch the edge of the cabin filter and slide it out. Note the orientation. If it was done professionally last time, chances are it was correct. Now, I've got some damage or something. I don't remember what the heck happened there. I'll have to pay attention to that in the future. But notice the airflow is supposed to go a certain way. So note the orientation before you put the old one down or put the new one in, right? It'll save you a little bit of headache. Now I'm going to test the airflow just for a minute. I'm going to turn on. You can see the airflow. Looks like it's sucking the tissue paper kind of downward. So that means the airflow is coming from top down when I turn that fan on. So you can test that out. Be really careful. You don't want to lose anything in there, or including a finger, right? So hold on to anything really tight if you do decide to do this. But I just wanted verification in my particular case just to make sure I'm putting it in correctly. So airflow going down. The arrows are indicating airflow should be going down. So you slide the new one in just like this. Put that cover back on. So easy, right? Oh my goodness. And we'll put the glove box back on. There's a couple of hinges like that. And I'm working with one hand. If you see resistance, look at that. It's jamming up, so that's not right. You'll know when it's right. So let me put the camera down. It must have slipped off that one of those bottom hinges there. All right, don't forget to move this, put this little black clip into place on the right side. Your glove box might work differently, but this is how this one works. It's got a little back clip, and then it closes nice and smoothly. Perfect. And that's how you do it. We'll stop the video there. Hopefully this helped you out. Click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more do-it-yourself solutions.